Hi Libra, welcome to my channel JK777 Cosmic Tarot. This is your reading. Let's see what do we have in store for you. We will see your energy, your person's energy and the outcome. And at the end we'll pick up few cards for singles also. So let's see what do we have in store for you Libra. Libra, please keep in mind that this is going to be a general reading. It may resonate with you, it may not resonate with you. These are not your personal readings, they are just general readings. So it may resonate to most of you, not all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so let's start Libra. Let's see what do we have in store for you. You know, these YouTube readings, they are usually collective readings, they are general readings, so not everything is meant for you. Please keep that in mind, guys. Please reverse the energy if you are a cross watcher. Let's see what are the messages for Libra. Okay, Moon. There's something that you're not happy about in this relationship, feeling disappointed. Could be that this person is not with you or they are not paying attention to you, Libra. You know, you're feeling lonely, sad, not knowing what to do. I don't know why is this energy. Let me pull out some more cards. Let me see your situation in love, Libra. Okay, I think this card wants to come out. Wow, we have the Four of Wands for you, Libra. I think things are very well between both of you. It's just that I do see that some of you are going to get married soon, because we have the Four of Wands immediately after the Moon. Yeah, I think things are going to get resolved, whatever it is. I don't think it's a major issue. Page of Pentacles. Focus is money. Could be that some of you, I think some of you are unemployed since quite a long time. You are not making enough money and that's bothering you. Yeah, see, I've got these two cards. We have the High Priestess and Emperor. Yeah, so you're not making enough money. Something is there. Maybe some of you are at home, you don't have a job, or you know, you're not making enough money, something like this. But I do, okay, we have the Two of Pentacles. Someone is confused, Libra. It could be you or your person. Someone is juggling between two things, two people. Okay, now this person, I feel that they are holding on to their emotions. You are dealing with a person who is confused. They don't know what to do. They are stuck. They are resisting this relationship, or they feel that sometimes they feel that, you know, they're not sure about this relationship, Libra. They know that you are all that they want. They know that you are just the perfect match for them. They know this everything, but then still they have this confusion. And I feel they still have this confusion. I think some of you are mourning over a loss of someone. Maybe you lost somebody who you really loved. Now this could be parents, your friends, somebody around you. You're mourning over a loss of someone. Okay, maybe they are no more and you're literally in that energy where you're mourning over a loss of someone. Let me see. Wow, we have the Empress, Libra. I think, what else do you want me to tell? See, we have the Emperor and the Empress together in the same reading. I think you both are a perfect match for each other. It's just that this relationship is going to... Just a sec, I'm going to keep these cards properly so that you can see. Okay. I think this card wants to come out. We have the Five of Wands. Oh my god, Two of Swords. Look at this. This card just had to come out, Libra. Look at this. Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords. I think this person is confused, and this could be you also. Okay, either you are confused or your person. You guys are confused. You don't know what to do. Stuck, feeling stuck. Don't know where is this relationship heading to. For some of you, I feel that yes, you are going to get married soon. Okay, very soon. So congratulations to those of you who are going to get married soon. And I certainly see that, you know, there is this preparations going on. You know, you're working, you're busy shopping, busy doing things. This is for your marriage. Okay, I think this card wants to come out. We have the Fool. I do see differences of opinion, Libra, between you and your person. Okay, this person that you're dealing with, or this could be you, they are highly spiritual. For some of you, I feel that you are in a relationship, but it is like, you know, this relationship is stuck. We have the Strength. Oh my god, this card just popped up. Could be that you're dealing with a Leo. Some of you are dealing with a Leo, an Aquarius, a Capricorn, an Aries, Pisces, Saggy. This is prominent here in this reading. So yeah, you guys love this person a lot, Libra. You totally love this person. I think this person is what you wished for. I do see that kind of an energy. But this person is holding on to something. They are stuck in a situation. They don't know what to do. I do see conflict. Okay, some of you, you're going through some conflict, internal conflict. I do see arguments between both of you. Guys, now if you see, we have the Emperor and Empress in the same reading. So definitely you both are a very good match. It's like a divine connection, I do see. But things are stuck. Let's see what's coming up for you, Libra. Let's see what's coming. Okay, I think this card wants to come up. Nine of Cups. God, I think whatever you're going to wish for, Libra, is going to happen. I certainly see that this entire relationship is going to take time to grow further. This person you are dealing with, they are confused. They feel that they have to compromise to be with you, something like this, or they feel that they are going to compromise if they are going to go with you. I do see that kind of an energy, but I think this person will realize how much you love them, and I think things are going to get better in the near future between both of you. And we have the Nine of Cups, so definitely you guys are going to talk to each other. If you're not talking to each other, or this person may have stopped talking to you, this person will start talking to you. I do see reconciliation for some of you. Maybe you're dealing with a person who travels a lot. Yeah, travels a lot, or you know, this person is studying. Maybe they're pursuing some further studies. That could also be possible, Libra. Okay. Let's see a final outcome for this reading. Let's see a final outcome for this relationship, Libra. Wow. Two of Cups. What else do you want me to do here? I told you, you guys are going to go forward. This relationship is going to go forward. We have the Two of Cups. Look at the way these both are in love. Okay. I think, Libra, maybe this person is not sure. This person needs time to fall in love with you. I do see there's something which is holding your partner back. Now this person will take some action, but this person needs time. They are not sure. I do see this person is not sure at the moment, but I definitely see that things are going to get better. Okay, we have the Nine of Cups, Two of Cups in the same reading, and this was at the outcome. This was what I wanted as an outcome, and look what we have got, Two of Cups. So certainly things are going to get better between both of you. Alright, so I'll go further with singles. Let me see what do we get for singles. Let's see, is there any message for singles? Is there any message for singles? Let's see what's coming up for singles. Let's see what's coming up for singles. Let's see what's coming up for singles. Let's see what's coming up. I'm not getting any cards, singles. I think there's no one coming for you so soon. Look at this. I've been shuffling since so long. I'm not getting any cards for you. I'm sorry, huh? I'm just kidding. Let's see what's coming up for singles. Let's see what's coming up for singles. Look at the singles. I don't think I'm getting a message for you in this reading. Should I? Okay, finally. I get 2 messages for you. Oh my God. Singles, this is no joke. Look at this. We have the 2 of Cups again and the Temperance. Look at this. This card is trying to tell you, look, I have the 2 of Cups here also. This is for people who are in a relationship. This person is coming towards you, singles. Just have patience. This person is coming towards you. You just have to wait. We have got the 2 of Cups. Look at this. Is this a joke? 2 of Cups coming with Temperance. What is it trying to tell you? You just have to have patience. Singles. This person is coming towards you. I can't believe this. Look at this. Let's see one final advice. Queen of Coins. Wow. Queen of Coins and Queen of Wands. So this is trying to tell you, singles, that this person, okay, you are going to meet someone. Just a second. Yeah. So you're going to meet somebody who is going to be very determined, passionate, someone who is highly independent or is strong, mentally strong, emotionally strong. This person is somebody who is going to offer you love, marriage, a long-term commitment. That is what I see in this reading for you, singles. Alright, so I have got amazing cards for you. Look at this. 2 of Cups, Temperance, and this is just after getting 2 of Cups for the others who are in relationship. What else? This is such a beautiful reading, singles. I'm very happy. Okay, so whatever it is, just be patient. This person is coming towards you, singles. All right, so that is it, Libra. I really hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. And also you can stay in touch with me. My Instagram, my Facebook page, everything is mentioned below in the description box. You can write to me there or you can connect with me there. Okay, so that is it, Libra. You guys take care. Love you all. Bye.